It's a fine mist in the air. Not going to use the Pocket 3. I don't have a Glad bag, so I could put it over it. And when ready to use, I'll just slip it out over its little head. I figure I'll leave the Cannondale Adventure 2 home as well and just go out with the mic underneath the shirt and the DJI Osmo Action 4. It's raining. I'm standing as closest to the building so I don't get wet. And man, it feels good. And it's not an Action 4 moment if it gets dropped onto the lens, right? I don't have my USB port door on, but you know what? It's time to get on back, get on out before it starts to really rain on me. Could you tell how much rain it's raining? It's raining all right, as you can see in the puddles. I used the frame. I turned my camera to portrait side and I hit record. So I got 4K video, I believe, and I did some portrait shorts. I don't love the frame of the camera to the camera. The mode on button, all right, almost feels like a feather touch with it. But the shutter button, not so. Yeah, all the dogs were running. Now they're together again. Little puppy there. I had some garden fruits, veggies I picked. Oh man, got a bowl full of tomatoes. I think days like today when it's raining, it's cleanup time, get things done, take care of stuff. And that reminds me, I got a nice project to do. Look in the back. I got a project to do around my tree, which I don't know if I want to do. But I'm always doing things that are nice. Oh, what a nice rainfall. Oh man, got some soap. I could take my shower now. All right, do a house. Take care of your yard. Take care of the area. Cut the weeds down. They're going to overgrow. You won't be able to walk by. That's why I have a nice garden.